In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to refund Hostinger services quickly and efficiently. To start, you'll want to head over to the Hostinger website where all the necessary actions are going to take place. Once you're on the site, type in refund into the search bar. This will take you to various support topics and articles. Among these, you'll need to click on the one that says how to get a refund at Hostinger. You'll find an article with detailed information on Hostinger refund policies. It's important to note that before you proceed to initiate any refund, you must download all of your essential data, because services will be canceled immediately upon submission of the refund request. That means files, databases, and emails associated with your account will be irreversibly deleted. Be sure to back up your files and databases and perhaps consult the guides on how to download backups of files and emails to ensure you have everything saved. Once you've saved your data, the next step is to navigate to your hPanel account's invoice section. Look for the list of paid invoices where you'll access all transactions made in the last 30 days. If eligible for a refund button will appear next to the transactions. You can click this button after ensuring the invoice is refundable. Additionally, you can review invoice details by clicking on the downward arrow. It's here you can also disable auto renewal if it's set up. After locating your refundable services, check the box that confirms your understanding that related data will be permanently lost, then proceed by clicking Next. Now you'll be prompted to select your refund method. You have the option to refund the amount to your Hostinger balance or the original method of payment. Choosing the Hostinger balance is faster, often instantly available, and it can be used for future purchases on Hostinger. Just keep in mind that once funds are credited to the Hostinger balance, they cannot be refunded back to the original payment source. If you select the original payment method, expect varying refund times depending on the payment processor used at the time of purchase. After choosing your preferred option, continue to Next, where you'll review your refund details, then click Submit Request. Shortly after submission, you'll receive an email confirmation detailing the transaction's outcome. You can track the status of your refund by revisiting the billing section under Payment History on Hostinger. Lastly, remember that cryptocurrency-based purchases are non-refundable, and generally, the refund request cannot be reversed. All associated data will be permanently deleted, and should you change your mind, you'll need to repurchase services and restore them from backups. If for any reason your original payment method doesn't support refunds, additional refund arrangements will be required. This process should hopefully streamline any refunds you might want to request from Hostinger. If you have any concerns or need further assistance, visiting Hostinger's support page will provide further guidance.